guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Word docs to Google Docs. So to do this is pretty simple. So here we are in our Google Docs. So we want to transfer a Word doc here. So go to File and then basically Open. From here, you can upload any file that you want. So we're going to use this file I just downloaded as a sample. So here's a sample. So upload it right here, or you can open it from your drive for when it's saved, or even your shared or in your starred where you started right there. So it's right there. So mine's taking so long. So let's just try to repeat it right here. So all you have to do is upload it right here and it will open basically, and there you go. It's just that simple. So that is how you transfer Word docs to your Google Docs. So if this video was helpful for you guys, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.